Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Maxuni WiFi Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the TP-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, insert the extender into a wall outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power LED to become solid. Allow the extender 1 to 2 minutes to finish booting. During the initial setup, keep the extender within 5 to 10 feet, 1.5 to 3 meters, of your router. Find the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. The button may be labeled WPS, Wi-Fi Protected Setup or 2 circular arrows icon. Press the WPS button on your router once. The WPS LED on the router should begin blinking. The router will remain in pairing mode for approximately 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the Maxuni extender. Hold it for about 1 to 2 seconds. Release the button. The WPS/signal LED will begin blinking while the extender searches for your router. The connection process usually takes 30 seconds to 2 minutes. During this time, LEDs may blink. Do not unplug either device. Avoid pressing additional buttons. Once paired successfully, the WPS light becomes solid. The signal LED lights up. The extender has copied your router's wireless settings. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Look for the extended network name. Usually it appears like your Wi-Fi name _ext or your Wi-Fi name _2.4G_ext. Select the extended network. Enter the same password as your main router. Now your device will connect through the extender. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for such more informative videos.